Top 5 most interesting facts about Umaga, the pro wrestler. 1. Umaga was known as the Samoan Bulldozer, dominating the WWE ring with raw power. 2. He was a cousin of the famous Anoa'i wrestling family, linking him to legends like The Rock. 3. Umaga's fierce persona was inspired by traditional Samoan warrior culture and tattoos. 4. He earned the WWE Intercontinental Championship twice, showcasing his in-ring skills. 5. Umaga was also a talented musician, often playing the guitar outside the ring. Comment your favorite Umaga fact or share more interesting stories about him.